don't waste your time procrastinating. Okay, time is alive, so use your valuable time. Don't waste your time deliberately. Hi everyone, how have you been? I hope you people are doing great and learning English in a great way. So my friends, welcome again in this video. So in this video we'll discuss about English, how can we improve our English language, and so watch this video till the end. And my friends, I would like to tell you, if you are a first time here, then please do not forget subscribe this channel and hit the like button, and if you do subscribe then get me motivation make more videos. So please subscribe the channel and motivate me make more videos. All right my dear friends, so watch this video till the end. Okay, so first friends, if you are learning English language these days, so my friends, definitely you think that how can I improve English little time, and how can I improve my English short time. Yes, you can improve your English short time. If you do work, then definitely it's possible. So what I am going to tell you, listen carefully and apply your daily routine. Okay, so friends, if you are a truly beginner and just you have start learning English language these days, then friends, you can do like, when you get up in the morning, try to speak in English yourself. And if you are thinking, when I speak English, my mind goes blank, and that time I could not understand, I would not understand that how to speak in English, and what thing, what should I do, what should I speak. So my friends, it's compulsory. If you are learning English language these days, then friends, it's normal, so don't think more about this. Okay, whatever comes in your mind, just speak in English, and every day this technique you have to follow. Okay, if I say, when you get up in the morning, just you speak, now I have got up, and I have to brush my teeth, and after I have to uh, bath. Okay, if you use your daily routine this technique, surely your English will be improved gradually. If you are thinking everything will be become in only one day, so my friend, it's not possible. Gradually you will learn all things. Okay, so don't think like this, just continuously learn. And the second thing, especially I would like to tell you time, about time. If you are thinking, I'll do later and I'll do tomorrow, I'll learn tomorrow. So my friends, if you are thinking like this, then stop that. I'll do tomorrow, rather than I'll do tomorrow, just you have to do today. Or don't wait the perfect time, don't wait the tomorrow, yesterday, because my friends, time only goes, never come times. Okay, value your time. My friends, time is very valuable, because we all have limited amount of it every day. Friends, we get 24 hours, no more and no less. So please respect your valuable time and use your valuable time to make your successful journey, successful life. So don't wait the perfect time, because the perfect time will never come. If time goes, then never will be returned. So use your valuable time. And my friends, whatever you have goal, it's just not English, learning English language. Whatever you have goal, just start learning. Friends, short sentences you speak daily. Okay, and if you think wrong or right, and fear, and when you speak English, it seems me I'm speaking wrong, and I hope I'm speaking wrong. So don't worry, don't think like this. Just speak, even you are speaking wrong. But one day, by mistake, you will be able to speak fluently and correctly. All right. So don't fear mistake. Don't fear fumbling. Don't fear overthinking. Don't fear anything. Okay, friends. Learn English language, and daily you should learn some vocabulary words and include in your conversation. That means you talk yourself in English. When you learn some vocabulary, those vocabulary you can include your short paragraph. You make short paragraph of English, then you can include, and you can speak for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Speak it English with your sibling, with your friend, and my friends, for make smart English, you should learn daily some phrasal verbs, some new vocabulary words, and then what vocabulary you learn daily, what phrasal verb you learn daily, just you should include your daily routine and speak. All right, don't think it's a difficult. Initially everyone has this problem, that's it's difficult, but no, it's not difficult. If you do work hard over the English, learning English language, then definitely you can get success. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Learn English language, respect your valuable time and use your valuable time. The main thing is, in this video, the main thing is time. अगर एक बार टाइम पास्ट हो गया तो वो वापस कभी नहीं आएगा. One thing especially I would like to tell you, if you watch some silly video, so please don't watch silly video anytime. Use your valuable time to make your a successful life. So don't watch silly video. Sometime I used to watch some silly video, but nowadays I can't, because I have understand time is so valuable. If once time goes, then never comes. My friends, don't waste your time procrastinating. Okay, time is alive, so use your valuable time. Don't waste your time deliberately. So that's all things I wanted to share with you in this video. If you want to do something new, then friends, you can do all things. If you think like I can't do, it's difficult, so all thing is possible if you try. Okay, so if you are learning English language these days, then start your learning English journey and learn. And maybe you have other goals, so whatever you have goal, just learn and get success. Okay, so that's it. If you like this video, then please subscribe this channel and hit the like button, and share, you can share with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture, and see you in the next lecture. Bye bye, till then, take care.